Causes of solid buildup in septic systems. Septic systems are essential for managing waste in households, particularly in rural areas. However, over time, problems such as solid buildup can occur, leading to system failure if not addressed. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Understanding the causes of solid buildup is crucial for proper maintenance and preventing costly repairs. 1. Excessive water usage. High water usage can overwhelm the septic system, causing solids to be carried out of the tank and into the drain field. This reduces the tank's capacity to settle and treat waste properly, leading to blockages and inefficiency. 2. Inadequate bacterial activity. Septic systems rely on bacteria to break down organic waste. If the bacteria levels are low due to the use of antibacterial products or harsh chemicals, the solids in the tank do not decompose as effectively, resulting in a buildup of sludge. 3. Poor tank maintenance. Neglecting regular tank pumping leads to the accumulation of solids. Over time, if not pumped regularly, typically every 3 to 5 years, the sludge and scum layers build up, reducing the tank's capacity and overall efficiency. 4. Use of non-biodegradable products. Non-biodegradable materials such as wipes, plastics, and hygiene products do not break down in the septic tank. These items can clog the system and prevent the proper breakdown of organic waste, contributing to solid buildup. 5. High levels of fats, oils, and grease, FOG. When fats, oils, and grease are introduced into the septic system, they solidify and create a thick layer on top of the tank's contents. This layer can block the system's flow and reduce the efficiency of solid breakdown. 6. Insufficient drainage and root intrusion. A malfunctioning drain field or tree roots infiltrating the system can restrict the flow of wastewater. This results in solids accumulating in the tank instead of being filtered out properly, leading to system failure. 7. Overuse of chemical additives. Chemical additives, although marketed to improve septic system performance, can harm the bacteria responsible for breaking down waste. Overuse of these chemicals disrupts the natural balance in the tank, causing solids to build up instead of decomposing. 8. Fluctuating waste types. The composition of waste entering the system affects how solids accumulate. For instance, high protein or starchy foods can create heavier waste that is harder to break down. This leads to a faster buildup of solids in the tank, reducing its efficiency. Solid buildup in septic systems is often caused by factors such as excessive water usage, poor maintenance, and improper waste disposal. By understanding these causes and addressing them early, homeowners can ensure their septic system functions efficiently and avoid expensive repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.